If you are new to Roblox, this is the perfect video for you. Welcome back to the channel, guys. In this video I'll tell you exactly how to undergo the first few steps of opening up Roblox and how to finally enter into a game. So the first thing you need to do is go ahead and download Roblox on the Microsoft Store if you are using a Windows computer or a laptop, or you can also use Google Play Store or App Store if you're using your Android or an iPhone. After opening up Roblox, you get a screen like this. Go ahead and select your date of birth. It doesn't have to be your real one, it could be a fake one, it doesn't really matter. Now go ahead and type a username for yourself and don't make it your own name. I'll just go for Peter Hardy 7. And now go ahead and type out a password. Now the last option is optional, so if you don't want to pick your gender, you don't have to, but I picked my own gender here. And go ahead and click on sign up. Now it's gonna load this verification screen. Go ahead and do the tests. Once you're all done and you've passed the verification, it's going to open your Roblox homepage. Now the first thing you should ideally do is on the left side or on the bottom side of your phone, there is your Roblox avatar. Go ahead and tap on it, and I actually like the way my avatar looks. I won't be customizing it, but you can in the marketplace, or you can even self-customize. There are a lot of options that you can go for, and some are paid, so make sure to go for free items. Now tap on the homepage again and you can find some games that are recommended for you. I see Barry's Prison Run and I think I want to play it, or you can even search a game. When you open the game's homepage, you have a list of description underneath it. It even tells you how many people have played the game. Now just tap on the play icon and go ahead and enjoy Roblox. If this video helps you out, make sure to give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Turn on the bell notification to get notified when we upload next. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.